Ghosh now joins us from Bandhan Bank. Mr. Ghosh, good morning. Thank you for joining us. Mr. Ghosh, allow me to ask you some direct questions today. Markets are worried that because of the lockdown, there would be serious challenges for the microfinance business, both in terms of disbursements and in terms of collection, and that will lead to a huge spike in your NPAs. Are markets' fears correct, or they're slightly displaced?
Yes, some part isn't correct that the panic. But if you see that in the microcredit level, which we are lending to the customer, they have a good business, and they are build up their business with our credit and growing last 15 years. So I seen that these people have the good income. In the monthly, earlier also I say that the monthly family income 38,000 rupees, and they can be handle this type of situation 1 to 3 months. There is no challenge will come. Another good thing on that, if you see the flood time or any of the natural calamities has come, that time their business or shop all have been damaged. But this time it has not damaged their shop, not to damage their capital and their business integration. So that there is a good positive position now. They are able to continue their business with their current shop on that. And third point, if you see that in our 71% of the business on the microcredit is in Eastern India, and including Northeast and the rural India. So if we see that the rural this impact is a very low, and Eastern India called in the Bengal, Assam, Tripura, and Bihar and Odisha, it's a very neglected, impacted as of now. So we hope that this is not may become that much the big challenge to handle my customer. Of course, as a bank and as a bank, and we are very large number of small ticket size of the business entity we are lending them. We are very careful of our staff life and save them, and also our customers safe. So that we have been stopped from the Monday the collection. I hope that that is in a very short term issue, and I have been hope that after the couple of weeks of when this will over, their cash flow will be not the challenge faced from banking side, and their business also not maybe that much the challenge will come. Our staff is continuously knocking the people how they are safe of their family. That will be created that the very good relationship with the customer and the bank. And when the crisis is over, that then automatically they are realized about it on that, and they will be also make it in a good for our bank.
So for this quarter, and let's say if one works with an assumption that there could be rub-off effect even in the month of April because of the lockdown, how can one understand what will happen to your numbers, growth, NPA, guidance? Because I think that is what is bothering everyone, Mr. Ghosh, because lockdown means that everything is over. But like you said, that only 71% of your business comes from Northeast, so that will not remain affected. Would you like to throw more light as to what really would be the net impact or the real impact now?
No, if you see that I'm saying that the 71% from rural and also East, including Northeast, not in a Northeast 71%. This is the one side. Next point, what I say that if you see, it depends on how the cash flow is coming to the business person on that. If I give the one example on that, this is the potato cultivation has come very good. Price is coming very good because last year the farmers get the price per kg potato 2 rupees. In this time, during this time, they are getting 15 rupees per kg. And the next month it is coming to this that there is a paddy cultivation. That time also production has come as of today is a very good showing of that. And when this money will come to the people's hand and the cash flow is automatically come good in my business community. That is the one side I have been seeing that very positive. Next point, whatever you say that in the quarter close of the March, we are just from Monday. Last Monday have been closed the lockdown position on that. But before the Monday, our business is coming very good. NPA, if we point on that, the 98.6% the collection efficiency has come to the total country, including the Assam. And Assam also we have that the 93.4% collection efficiency. But the last 2 weeks we see that the very good improvement has come to the Assam and the total country. And I hope that this quarter business little bit will become because of the last 1 week business has not come. 10 days has business not come. That will be impact. Otherwise, the total business as usual in the last year, I hope that we are in that trend.
Sure. Mr. Ghosh, but what we're trying to understand is, given how grave the situation is, would it be a fair assumption that up until now, while your guidance has been pretty solid, you will have to lower it further?
If I say that because I am not the expert on that, but what I feel from the ground experience on that, this the panic or this situation maybe continue another 1 month or 2 months. I feel that my customer segment, the 3 months, there is no challenge as per my previous experience of demonetization. I have been stopped 15 days, and after that, every customer has come back to return back the money. So this situation maybe worst will become 3 months on that, not more than that. So that can be handled by my customer level cash flow, and the bank also continue their helping on that.
That's great to hear. I'm glad, Mr. Ghosh, that you could give us that clarity. Thank you so much for taking the time out and speaking with us today. Can't